This is how to create and duplicate diary phrase templates. We're gonna start with downloading Headlight Fieldbook. So first, let's go into the App Store. Then we're gonna go and click on the bottom right of the App Store to search, and in the search bar, type in Headlight Fieldbook. As you can see, I already have it downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it, but download it if you don't already have it. And then once you have it open, you're gonna enter your account information and log in. Once you've entered your account information, we're gonna go ahead and tap on the project title on the top left, and then we're going to select the correct project from the pop-up menu. Now we're going to start with creating a narrative journal observation. So first, go to your Mail app, and then search for your diary phrase template narrative samples email. Then you're going to highlight and copy the section that you want, and you do so by holding onto the text and adjusting the bars with the circles on top and bottom, and then clicking copy on top. Now we're going to go back to Headlight Fieldbook and create a new narrative journal observation, and we do so by clicking on the square with the plus on the top right and click on narrative from the small pop-up menu, and then you tap and hold in the white box until the paste comes up, and then you tap on paste. From there, we're going to edit the title, and you do so by tapping on the title, and we're going to phrase this inspection diary phrase template because this is the inspection section. And now we're going to repeat this process for each of the other sections, except for the photo section. Once you've completed the other sections, we're gonna start with creating the image journal observation. So just like the other ones, we're gonna go back to our Mail app, and then we're going to go ahead and copy the photo section. From there, we're gonna go back to Headlight Fieldbook and create a new image observation by clicking on the green plus on the top right and clicking image. And then we're gonna exit the camera by clicking on the red X. Note my camera is showing black because my iPad is currently on the table. Then we can go ahead and save and exit by clicking on save at the bottom. Note that it says not available because you didn't save a photo, but in this case, it's okay. Now you're going to paste your photo diary phrase template by clicking on add description and then tapping on paste. From there, we're going to edit the title so that you can reference it in the future. And then you're all set. Here's all the diary phrase templates that we copied from your Mail app to Headlight Fieldbook. Now, we're going to learn how to duplicate and edit a narrative journal entry. So we're going to select the diary template that we want to use, and in this case, I'll be using the daily BMP inspection diary phrase template. From here, you're going to copy it by clicking on the icon with the two pieces of paper, and then verifying that you want to continue by clicking on proceed. Once you've copied it, you'll notice that the duplicate will now be at the top of your journal entries. From here, we're going to edit the text within the parentheses and delete anything that isn't applicable. So in this case, there wasn't a deficiency to be found. So I just went ahead and edited what I thought was applicable within the parentheses and deleted the lines and parentheses that occurred in the template. And this is to ensure that it's easy to read and understand. So once you've edited your narrative to how you want it, we're gonna go ahead and edit the title by tapping on the title and making it so that it's related to your journal entry. And lastly, we're going to learn how to duplicate and edit an image journal entry. So now we're going to copy the photo diary phrase template that we created, and we're going to do so by clicking on the icon with the two pieces of paper and clicking on proceed. And then we're going to scroll back to the top so that we go back to our new entry and tap on capture image in the middle. From here, you can capture your photo that you want to take by clicking on the big circle on the right side. And then once that's done, where you can edit the photo by clicking on the pencil where the capture button was. Note that you can change the color and thickness of the pencil by clicking on the pencil on the top right and then the dot on the top left, and you can write by using your finger. And when finished, click on the green check mark on the right. Then we're going to save and exit the photo by clicking on save on the bottom. Then we're going to edit the description that's associated with the photo, And just like how we did it with the narrative, we're going to edit what's in the parentheses and delete what's not applicable. Once you've edited your text, you're going to go ahead and edit the title so that it doesn't say template anymore and that it's relative to your journal description. And you're done. Now you're ready to create great journal entries.